Hiya, this is Anthony from All and About, and we're here at Doha Festival City. With Qatar National Day coming in a few days, we would like to announce football competition with Virtuocity. I'm here with Muhammad from Virtuocity to tell us about VR football.
Hello guys, so this is the VR football. It's 1 versus 1, okay? And we have like Vive McLaren headset, and it's really cool and precise. And we have the Alien War there. It's a really good computer for gaming, and it's a really nice experience if you want to try it. And it feels like you're playing football, but not in the real way, yeah? It's football without running. And it's really cool. And it's for free if anyone wants to try. It's a Virtuocity product, and I hope you guys will try it one day.
So here's how to join the competition. Meet us at the entertainment node near Cheesecake Factory on Thursday the 16th of December from 6:30 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. Play against your friend or someone from the crowd 1v1, where the winner stays on and the loser gets eliminated and will be replaced with somebody else. The cycle will continue until we have the last player standing and be awarded the winner. The winner shall receive 1 unlimited arena play voucher from Virtuocity.
Thank you so much, Muhammad, for having us.
Welcome. Goodbye, guys.
See you.